Aeroschup unit on pontoons. Pontoons 3 by 3 meters. Installation weight 465 kilograms. Platform weight 368 kilograms. Buoyancy of pontoons 3.4 tons. There are 2 work positions at the unit. One to monitor the unit. Nearby there is a motor pump, a gas water mixture supply unit, and a crude oil skimmer. At the moment the pump is started and until the sector is finally cleaned, the worker conducts visual control of the process. The second work position is to control the movement of the air probe. The movement of the air probe is carried out by 2 winches that pull up the pontoon and 2 anchors for exact positioning of the air probe. The winch lowers the probe from the transport position into the working position. The working position is shown. The probe sinks to the bottom and does not allow the collected oil to spread. When the installation is brought into working position, the motor pump draws water from the lake and supplies water to the injector. Once in the injector, water is mixed with air and fed to the probe. The supplied mixture gets to the bottom through the nozzle and rises to the top together with petroleum products. The probe allows to lift the mixture into the process tank. The oil products in the sink stick to the skimmer tape, so the oil products are separated from the water. Oil products are automatically removed from the skimmer belt with a scraper. The rate of removal of petroleum products by a skimmer is 150 liters per hour. The oil products separated by the skimmer drain into the floating sealed tank for further transportation to shore.